I know that everything happens for a reason talaga. And I've learned that through many rejections and many missed opportunities. And then eventually I realized that everything gets explained or like replaced with something better, and everything happens for a reason, and timing is everything. So
Do you have the same belief when it comes to love?
yes. Yes. Dapat ang love madali lang, lalo na when it comes to mga ugali, mga paniniwala, mga pinapangarap sa buhay, dapat pareho. Grabe, pangarap ko lang 'to dati. Nakakatuwa nga kasi.
Napapanood mo na sila, no?
Oo naman!
Ang ganda ng 2024 mo talaga. Tapos may pasabog na love life ka pa ng 20. Mga unexpected na.
Super saya. Super saya. Maraming mga unexpected na, yun nga yung mga pinangarap ko na nangyari last year. Thank you, Lord.
Manifest mo rin ba yun?
Actually, parang ang goal ko lang is parang mahalin yung sarili ko.
Yes, sayang.
Tapos may dumating. My dad is super chill. Super cool guy lang niya. Pero his number one thing is he'll always show up for you. Kahit nasan ka pa, he'll be there in an hour. So, siguro he set the standard din for the people. the people in my life. Yung parang that kind of love that shows up for you and is really like available.
Would you rather stay at home or go on a date with Jericho Rosales after ours?
Maybe date at home. Medyo homebody na ako ngayon.
With him?
Yes.
You guys good?
Yeah.